Okay.
Naku, natakot.
Naku, Jollibee, huwag mo nang takutin. Ayan, oo. Inaabutan ka na ng gift. Kunin mo, dali, Gabi.
Prize ito.
Ayan. Abahin ko maintindihan kay Gabi. Malulungkot siya, matutuwa. Okay, Gabi, blow your candle. Okay, palakpakan mo po natin si Gabi. Okay. And now, tatanungin ko naman po ang wish ni Mommy for Gabi. So, Mommy, what's your wish for Gabi?
Wish ko lang na yung hindi siya magkakasalit, lalo siya mabuting bata, at saka may kakasalit.
Ayan, palakpakan mo po natin si Mommy for that wonderful wish. Okay. Ikaw, Jollibee, may wish ka ba para kay Gabi? Ano ginagawa mo? Nagpapacute? Ayan. Okay. Meron ka bang wish para kay Gabi? Meron. Ilan ang wishes mo? So, kids, sabay-sabay natin bilangin, ha? Okay. 1, 2, 3 wishes for Gabi. Okay. First wish for Gabi is for him to grow up and become handsome, just like sino? Si Jollibee. Ayan, agree po ba kayo na handsome si Jollibee?
Hindi.
Hindi. So sorry, Jollibee, hindi ka handsome. Okay. Second wish. Second wish for Gabi is for him to grow up and become a God-fearing person. Ayan. I like align. Just like sino? Each and everyone in this room. Okay. Third and last wish for Gabi is for him to grow up and become a big, happy person. Just like sino? Siyempre, si Jollibee. Palakpakan mo po natin si Jollibee for his wishes. Ayan. So, Jollibee, baka may gusto mo magpa-picture sa'yo? Sino ba gusto mo magpa-picture kay Jollibee? Sure, tayo para makakuha ng picture together with him.